Alexander, what do you think if we speak a little bit with our friends here about packaging?
Absolutely. I think this is a really important topic because packaging is growing.
It's growing fast and it's getting
Absolutely.
more and more into the printing industry.
Absolutely.
That's why CloudLab provides now the packQ X3, right?
Absolutely. So we help you to make packaging available for everyone.
Right, so it doesn't matter if you are in the packaging business for years or if you just want to start with it. packQ
Absolutely.
is the perfect solution for everybody.
Exactly. And we help you here by making it easy to configure so that it's also easy to configure for the customers, so for everyone.
Perfect point. So you have easy configurations to set up the packaging products.
Exactly.
Because we include over 400 parametric die cut lines,
Yes.
which you can provide to your customers, including a dynamic price calculation.
Which is important, right? Because we would like to display the price at all time, and we are talking about boxes in various sizes.
So there is no need to calculate anymore,
No.
because the dynamic price calculation is based on business standards in packaging. So you always get the perfect price, even if the customer changes the die cut
Exactly.
easily.
So it will
With
be
our
displayed
tools.
directly. It will
Exactly.
be directly displayed, no need to write quotes or something like this.
So let me just stop you here at this point, because let's just go in our 3D
yes.
packaging designer.
Yes.
As this is one very large part, very interesting for your customers. They
Absolutely.
can design packaging online themselves.
Absolute. And not only for a fixed size, they can do it for any size, and they can select between pre-configured templates or start from zero. It depends.
We are speaking about non-professional as well as professional
Everyone.
customers. And let me make this clear.
Everyone.
We have one huge point of sale here, which is the 3D live preview.
Exactly.
Because imagine the customer needs to think about how this die cut will look like folded. There's almost no chance they are right,
Yeah.
but this digitalized hard proofs
Absolutely.
shows it. And
Exactly.
this helps you to sell more print online.
And it also helps that we combine and integrate AI here.
Exactly.
To take the customer by the hand, helping him vectorization of images, remove backgrounds.
Remove the background,
Exactly.
enhance it, and every step I do on the canvas
Yes.
is visible on the 3D preview immediately, right?
Absolutely. So there is no bad surprise later when the customer gets the box and then says, I did not know that my logo is not visible if it's folded anymore.
Good point. We reduce the complaints to a minimum. And that's
Absolute.
for every kind of packaging.
Absolutely.
So as long as you need a die cut, we provide you the CAD software
Exactly.
to make it ready in our system.
So you can even use your own die cuts, implement them. We are talking also about flexible packaging like pouches, displays.
it can be
doesn't
displays,
matter.
anything. It doesn't
Doesn't
matter
matter.
for our software, and especially since we include the ECMA Box Library
Yes.
with a big variety of groups in it. You have already predefined die cuts, right?
Exactly. So they are ready to use, yes, but they can even be edited in
Very good
simple steps, because we offer an easy-to-use wizard to completely configure these die cuts.
And that's the thing. You can use the wizard to change every die cut based on your customer's requirements. So if there is more flaps needed, if there is a window needed or not needed actually as
Doesn't
well,
matter.
you can edit, you can remove it, you can adjust the die cut to the needs of the
And
customer.
also FEFCO is included. So not
Right.
only the ECMA, it's also the FEFCO models.
So
with
we're
over
even speaking about corrugated boxes,
Absolutely.
right?
Displays, trays, it's all included. So they are ready to use, can be configured easily with a wizard within seconds.
And just to be clear, you don't need to get them, right? They
No.
are already in the system.
Exactly.
You use the wizard and you easily get them, right?
Exactly.
And it doesn't matter if it's a box, if it's a display, if it's for beverage or whatever, it's simply there. And Alexander, while we're speaking about corrugated boxes, there is one topic we can't miss, right?
Exact.
It is the flute
Yeah.
that we also need talking about corrugated.
And here we always have to think about who is going to use the software.
Right.
Because of course it can be the professional user who knows exactly what kind of flute he wants.
Exactly.
Absolute. but it can also be someone who has never heard about a flute before.
Exactly.
And they don't care.
And we still can provide the perfect flute
Exactly.
at any time, because you decide how your customers get the perfect flute. Is it based on the material?
Yeah.
Is it based on the product?
Exactly.
Maybe the industry. Or, Alexander, we can also give it to a professional and say, hey, just select the flute you need.
And everything else adjusts.
Exactly. It's up to your customers.
And that's the idea behind it. It's available for everyone. The professional user can use it in the same way as a non-professional user.
But you, as the printing company, you can do even more, right? With the packaging and the parametric die cuts.
Exactly. Because we can also change the animations of it without having knowledge of 3D.
Exactly.
Because,
so we analyze, first of all the points, right?
Absolutely.
In the die cut line, and based on this, we can decide how the animation looks like,
Exactly.
or also define what flute is needed here.
Absolute. And the 3D model is generated automatically.
Oh, that's a good point.
It's automatically
Very good
generated,
point.
so you do not have to build this. It's there, and then you can change with easy clicks the animation. No need of knowledge about how 3D works.
So we provide the die cuts and also the 3D models. And to be clear here, we also provide templates ready to use. Oh, very
Embellishment is also a really nice feature. So we can use embellishment for it and visualize it so that everyone is able to create professional looking designs.
And just to be clear, this is a real-time 3D preview, so we can rotate it. We can show the light effects. We can show the glitter.
Right?
We can perfectly show every kind of embellishment directly live. And this is what helps you to sell more print online,
and this
right?
for every box you selected. And the templates, for example, they are also liquid. So this is really, really great. So
and liquid is a very good tag here.
Perfect.
Because they are 100% liquid. The customer is changing the die cut with easy parameters as the width, the length. Our system calculates how the flaps should look like.
Absolutely.
And the template does the same, and it fits perfectly on the die cut.
So no need to create 200, 300, 400 templates by yourself.
They are
there. They are there,
ready
to
use
for every size and every box. As you said, Patrick, for every use, ready to use.
Exactly.
And that's the great thing. packQ makes packaging available for everyone.